This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Hello big beautiful home. Roomy Rainier floor plan means 3,272 square feet of luxe living west/4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2 main floor living rooms west/gas fplc, second floor laundry room, 3-car tandem garage. New air conditioner, wood flooring, gorgeous high-end appliances, exterior paint. Outside enjoy your community on your huge front porch or in your fully fenced backyard west/Rainbird sprinkler system all on a corner lot. Just minutes from JBLM, shopping, golfing, dining. Steilacoom Historica schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.